In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a knock sensor on a Chevy Silverado 2500. This is going to be located under the vehicle on the motor. Let's get started. Under the vehicle on the passenger side, we are looking up to the right of the starter, and here is our harness for our knock sensor. For that connector, there's a tab. You're going to pull out on that tab and pull back. And that's how we're going to remove that connector. This is the tab you're going to pull back on and then pull straight down and remove the connector. Using a deep 22 millimeter socket, we are going to remove our knock sensor. Get it nice and loose, and reach up and grab and remove the knock sensor. Grab your new knock sensor, reach up, and get it started. Get the knock sensor started into the hole. Torque the knock sensor to 14 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench on it, do the best you can. Install the connector onto the sensor. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.